welcome back. Today is part 2 of my 3 easy hairstyles for spring. And how beautiful is this updo? The best part is it's so quick and easy and perfect for any spring occasion. Now, if you missed part 1, I'll have it linked in the description, and stay tuned for part 3 coming later this week. All right, let's get started. Real quick hair prep. My hair was nice and clean, so I'm just adding some texture spray to give it some more grip. Okay. For the bun, you want to use a strong, thick hair elastic. So gather your hair into a low ponytail wherever you want your bun to sit and pull out any face framing pieces to soften the look. Now, before securing, tightly hold your ponytail and with a flat hand, push and slide up the hair at your crown just a little bit, and this will add volume without having to tease. Awesome. Then tightly secure your hair, and on that last loop, you want to cross your elastic at the top and then slide your ponytail partially through to create a small bun, and then pull on the sides to gently fan it out. And then, you guessed it, gently pinch and pull on small pieces of hair around the sides and mostly around your crown to add more volume and more movement. All right, once done, just repeat this on your bun to help soften it, unless sleek is what you're going for. Next, take all your ends, bring them to the right side, and just begin tightly twisting them away from your face. And once your twist is nice and tight, you want to secure the ends, making a small bun. And this will ensure you don't have to worry about your ends poking out later on. Now, I'm hoping your hair is shorter than mine because this step will be much easier for you. But take your index finger and thumb on your left hand and just gently slide them through the middle of your bun. They should go through easily, as almost a tunnel is created when the hair is folded for the bun. Now, once all the way through, grab onto your ends and then pull them through your bun to the other side. And if they come all the way out the other side like mine, just tuck them back in. Okay, hardest part done. Now give your bun half a turn clockwise and then firmly hold it against your head with your left hand. And then begin securing the underside of your bun to your head by hooking the hair from underneath with a bobby pin and then just sliding it in towards the center. So repeat this all the way down, and then of course on the other side until it's nice and secure. And then I finished it off with a little more texture spray to create a more effortless look. So there you have it, a really simple yet beautiful updo, perfect for any spring occasion. I can't wait to see your recreations. But I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out part 1 and 3 of my spring hairstyles. I'll have them linked in the description below. But thank you again for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.